What's going on, guys? Sunshine here, and I am with Mapmygenome, and they've offered me the chance to take the BeautyMap test. So this is a genetic test that's going to show me basically what my skin needs, but on a cellular level. So you guys know I'm into skincare. I'm really passionate about this, and this is just taking it to the next level to really see what sort of protocol, preventative and proactive, is right for me. So in this test, they're going to be screening for a lot of different things, but I'm mainly interested in hyperpigmentation. I'm interested in hydration, elasticity, acne, everything that has to do with skin and hair. I'm interested in, and it's going to give me an idea of like what nutrients I should be eating that are fit for me. Specifically, it's going to tell me what ingredients in skincare products I should be using for this. So this is all stuff that is going to be very useful for me, and hopefully I'm going to be finding out that I've been using the right skincare products for me, but I'm gonna have to take this test to find out. So this is the box that it comes in, and you get this nice little pamphlet where you have to give your consent and medical history. This is all HIPAA certified, and then of course I have my test kit, and all I'm going to do is open it up. You're going to see me open it up. Okay, it's sealed. I have this cotton swab here that I'm going to be putting on both sides of my cheek, not touching your teeth, and I'm just going to swab it for about 30 minutes to a minute on each side. Not going to necessarily put you through that. I'll start swabbing it, but then I'm going to turn it off, and then I'll get back to you once I'm finished. So here we go. All right, now that I finished swirling around, I'm going to take this off, stick it in, make sure it's tight. And now, okay, I'm going to be putting this back into this bag, sealing that up, putting everything back in the box, and sending it off to the lab. And within 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, I'm going to be getting the results back. Like I said, I'm really curious to see whether or not I have been using the products that are actually beneficial for me according to my DNA results. So that's going to be really fun to find out. So anyway, thank you, Mapmygenome, for giving me the chance to take this test and find out more about me.